even in frame. I'm having such a hard time finding a balance in like what's too much to say and what's not enough to say. I just wanna be appreciated. Hi guys! I feel like I never say this, but it's Quiston and welcome back to Weekly Dose of Sunshine. If you want to start your week off on a sunny note and learn how to become the happiest and brightest version of yourself, then you're in the right place. Today we will be covering the third and final part on how to build a better relationship with yourself. If you missed parts 1 or 2, go and check them out, and I will even link them in the description below. However, today in part 3, we will be covering how to get comfortable within your own skin. And since I promised to keep these videos short, let's dive right in. Number 1, spend time alone with yourself. I know we really dread spending time alone within our society, but that is when the true magic happens. When you spend time alone with yourself, you are creating the space and freedom to just be you. By doing so, you can drown out the noise and the expectations of others. And you can figure out exactly who you are, who you're meant to be, and all of the things you want to do and experience within this lifetime. And I'm not just saying it as a suggestion, I'm saying it as personal experience. Don't be afraid to take yourself out on dates, go to the gym by yourself, hit up your favorite restaurant or coffee shop on your own, go on a drive with the windows down, blasting your favorite album. Talk to yourself, start to really figure out how you operate. Take the time to maybe heal any old trauma, meditate, go fishing, go bird watching, whatever you like to do. Just don't be afraid to do it on your own. Because once you start getting comfortable spending time on your own, and I'm not even saying it has to be all the time, you begin to realize that you already possess everything you need. And in return, you start to build a much better relationship with yourself. Number 2, explore all your interests, dreams, and desires. Once you've spent some time alone and you've been able to kind of block out all of the outside noise, you'll be able to really figure out what you want to get out of this lifetime. In those moments of alone time, you will find the perfect opportunity to really get to know yourself. Start diving deep into your mind. It can just be in those casual conversations and deep thought, or you already know, I would suggest journaling. But ask yourself those deep questions. What excites you most when you wake up in the morning? What are all of the little things that really make you tick? What things truly interest you? Does your current college job or major suit you? Or maybe have you been itching to start a new journey or explore a different path? Don't be afraid to start asking yourself questions you've never asked before. And in the process, give yourself space to try new things. Figure out who you are, what you want to be, and what you truly want to do with your time on this earth. And I can promise you that very much so will strengthen the relationship you have with yourself. Then number 3, please realize that you are perfect exactly as you are. And also that you are exactly where you are supposed to be. Because so often we find ourselves chasing, running, sprinting full force ahead to reach certain milestones and to check off certain boxes and to stack up a long list of accomplishments, all in a massive pursuit to be worth something. But what you need to understand is that you existing as you are in this present moment is truly enough. That you are incredible exactly as you are. And that doesn't mean to stop striving to do more or be more, but rather acknowledging that those things aren't going to improve how you feel about yourself. Understanding that those things don't define who you are as a person. As long as you are growing in little ways each and every day, and that you are genuinely enjoying life and the person you're becoming, then that's all that really matters at the end of the day. And you should be proud of how far you've come and who you are right now. And if you can do that, I promise you will have built the best and strongest relationship with yourself that you possibly can. So, a little recap. In order to build a better relationship with yourself, you must first be kind to yourself, you must learn how to lean on yourself, and you must become comfortable within your own skin. I hope you guys found this mini-series to be helpful. I know it's kind of like a big concept to try and break down into an actual tangible step-by-step guide, if you will, but I just know my life was so much more difficult before I learned how to really value myself and who I was as a human being. Because once you do that, so many doors will open up for you, and you'll stop attracting such negative people and circumstances and situations in your life, because you'll see your worth and you won't settle for anything less. But anyways, that's probably a whole nother video for a different time. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this series, please share it with a friend, family member, anyone else who you think it would benefit. I hope you have a fantastic and sunny week, and I'll catch you guys next Sunday.